What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video let's talk about phone authentication using Firebase inside your Flutter applications. Guys, I know there's already a video regarding the same subject in my channel previously, but that video was made back in 2018, guys. Yeah, I know it's weird, right? I've been making videos for around 2 years now using Flutter. So let's see, that video is pretty much outdated, and I thought I'd rather update that video, and a lot of people have been requesting for that as well. So yeah, in this video let's see how to do phone authentication using Firebase for your Flutter applications. Okay, so the first step would obviously be to add Firebase auth to our application. I have a blank application scaffolded out here, and what I'm going to do is I'm first going to be installing the Firebase auth plugin. Now the next thing we'll be doing is, as this installs, we'll be adding Firebase to our application. I have already done that in my previous videos. Anyway, I'll do that quickly now. Fine, now that we have added Firebase to our application, just get into main.dart, and let's go ahead and write some code, guys. We'll just have a screen wherein you can enter your phone number and a button for you to log in. So I'll go ahead and remove all these. No, rather than removing, first I'll create few files. Fine, now I have 3 files. First I'll start with the login page.dart. So inside here I'll just create a button and way to enter the phone number for you guys. Login page. Fine, now all I need to do is Cool. Now we have a button that will call this verify phone function for us, and we have a text form field that will accept an input. That's it, right? Now what we'll do is we'll write the function for this verify phone. Okay, so future void verify phone phone number asynchronous function. This will be an asynchronous function. All right, now we have written a function that will automatically verify the phone number for us. It will simply run. I'm simply using the Firebase auth plugin to send a OTP code to that particular user. Now the other thing you must notice is that it won't always send an OTP code, guys. For instance, wait, I'll show you. It will show here. Either sends an SMS with a 6-digit code to the phone number specified or signs the user in and verification completed is called, right? So the thing is, you get directly logged in. You directly get logged in if Google Play services verified the phone number instantly or helped you auto verify. Sometimes it won't like send you the OTP code at all. If your phone is already verified or if you are using Google Play services already in your phone, it will simply send you to the verification completed callback. That is this function. This function. Okay, so don't always expect a OTP code if there are scenarios where your number might already be verified. Okay, so in case once this is called, we need to sign the user in, right? So in order to do that, let's write some code in the auth service. So I'll just get into services auth service.dat, and this is a regular service class auth service. Inside this, like, we'll write a function. If this is true, then obviously the user is logged in. So we need to take him to the dashboard page. If not, Fine. Now there is no dashboard page, right? Now we have this, we can make use of this function inside main.dart. Since it's a stream, the login and logout process will automatically be wait. Fine. You understand what's happening here, right? For the home page, I'm simply adding this handle authentication function, which will return the dashboard page if the user is authenticated, or it will return the login page if he is not. The login page is nothing but the page that contains our code that we use for phone verification. So now all we need to do is simply call that function auth service dot what was that, sign. No, we haven't yet written a function for signing in, right? Now this is done. Let's just get back to login page and auth service dot sign in. You understand what's happening here, right? I have the authentication credentials as soon as the phone is verified, and I'm simply passing in those credentials and making use of that. I'm signing in here. That's it, right? Let's just run this on our mobile device and see how this goes, guys. Oh, here I didn't use that function, right? Before running this on the mobile device, we just need to get into our Firebase project here, and then what you need to do is get into sign in method. Ensure that phone authentication is enabled. Okay, and as a small design measure, what I'll do is I'll get in here and then fine. Now I'll run this app on my mobile device. Alright guys, now you can see that on the mobile device the app is running, right? So let me just go ahead and use my mobile number here. Before going there, I'll just show you guys. I have not yet created my account here, right? Okay, now let's just check using my mobile device. Fine. Now let's see what happens if I tap on login. See, it automatically verified my mobile device since I was already using one of Google Play services, and it took me to the dashboard page, right? Now how do I confirm this? I go back here and I refresh this. See, obviously I have hidden my mobile number here, but you can see that the account has been created and the provider is through a phone authentication provider, right? Now if I tap on sign out and probably sign in again, I can probably use this same account to sign in. That's it. See, it's as easy as that, right? Now some of you guys might wonder, what if I'm not using any of the Google Play services, or what if my number is already not verified by Google, and what if I need to enter a OTP code, right? So let's handle that scenario as well. To handle that scenario, I'll show you a simple technique. Just get into login page.dart and then have a separate variable called a boolean variable called, first have one for getting the SMS code, and have a boolean variable called code sent. Fine. Now the scenario is as soon as you tap on verify, it will send you an SMS code, right? So once the code is sent, which is this callback, obviously all you need to do is set state you understand this, right? I'm simply setting this to true, that's it. And now based on this, what you need to do is you need to get the SMS code from the user as well, remember. So what you are going to do here is simply copy this, paste it again. The only thing you need to do is change this to code sent, sorry, not code sent, SMS code, and this one to enter OTP, one-time password. And here this should be shown only when the SMS code is sent, right? Otherwise this shouldn't be shown. So what I'll do is I'll use this as a way to show this and hide this. Okay, and instead of this I'll add a container. Fine. Now you understand what's happening here, right? Once the SMS code is sent, this will be shown. If this is shown, what we need to do is we don't need to verify, I mean we need to change this button to something else, right? So what I'll do is if code sent is true, then this will be verify. Fine. And if code sent is true, what I need to do is I need to sign in the user. He has received an SMS code and he has entered that received SMS code, and now he is tapping on login, right? Now this should be login. Now he is tapping on login. Fine. So in that case, what I need to do is get back into authservice.dart and then write some code for that as well. Sign in with OTP. Here I'll get the SMS code and verification ID. Fine. Here what I'll do is I need to create some credentials. So fine. Now we can use this credential to sign in just like we do this here. So all I need to do is sign in. Sign in auth creds. You understand what's happening here, right? I'm using that verification ID and the OTP code to create authentication credentials, and then using those credentials I'm simply signing in. That's it. Now all I need to do is get back to login page and go here, auth service dot sign in with OTP, SMS code, and verification ID. I already had it. verification ID. Fine. You understand what's happening here, right? What if the phone number, this phone that I showed you now, the demo that I showed you now was already verified, guys. I was already using Google Play services, so this phone was verified, and it automatically signed me in, right? Creating my new account, user account. But what if the user was not using any Google Play services? In that case, what would happen is he will be sent a SMS, and that SMS will contain a one-time password code, a 6-digit code. So he has to enter that SMS code and then click on verify, so that he gets verified and his account is created on Firebase. Okay. So in that case, what I'm doing is, once the SMS code is sent, I'm simply setting a Boolean flag to true. And if that flag is true, automatically another text form field shows up, and this text form field, the user can enter the SMS code. Once I get the SMS code, this button will change to login. Okay. First it was verify, now it will change to login. And what will happen is, when the user taps on that particular button, now the code sent is true, right? So automatically it will invoke this function. This function is nothing but it will receive the SMS code and the verification ID and simply do the verification. I mean, create authentication credentials from this particular verification code and SMS code, verification ID and SMS code, and use those credentials to sign the user in. That's it, right? Plain and simple. So yeah, this is how you do phone authentication in your Flutter applications using the Firebase authentication provider, guys. I hope you like this video. Hope you found this video helpful. Kindly share it with someone if you found it helpful. Kindly hit the thumbs up button if you really like this video. I'm sorry, guys, I haven't been making videos lately because I now work full time for a company as a mobile application developer. But I'll continue to make videos like this now and then and upload it to this channel, guys. I'll at least make 4 videos a month, okay? And I'll also update my earlier videos. I need to still update the Stripe payment video, right? A lot of people have been requesting for that as well. So I'll update that Stripe payment video soon. And I'll also update the rest of the videos in the Firebase series, okay? So, so I'm really sorry for that. Sorry for not making videos for the past couple of weeks. So yeah, guys, if you found this video helpful and would like to see more of my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications icon so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, guys. It's free, and hit the thumbs up button on this video. And leave a comment below if you have any doubts so that I can clarify it. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.